marvelous entrepreneurs. And let me first wish you all a happy Diwali. Today, we are going to talk about the importance of selecting your niche. How to select your niche business. Yes, if you have any questions on niche selection, kindly good morning. Kindly post in your questions, any doubts regarding the niche selection in the comment box. So, talking about niche, see, you and me are all small business entrepreneurs or solopreneurs. So, it is very important that we select a niche and do business in that particular area because big corporate houses, big businesses, they can do everything. It is possible for them, but not for us. For example, like uh, I start the best clothing store online, and if I try to cater to the whole world, it is just impossible for me to do the service in a proper way, and I cannot cater to the quantity of the products in such large scale. Say, for example, like I want to become the best baker in the world. No, probably if I concentrate in one particular type of cake, then it is possible. But otherwise, if I try to concentrate giving all type of cakes to all type of customers, it is not going to fetch me results, and it's going to make my life uh, difficult. So selecting a particular niche is very important for small business owners like you and me and solopreneurs. Um, so coming, I'll just try to share my screen here. We will do a small exercise also to uh, find our niche area. Once again. So, yes. So today we are mainly going to concentrate on how to find a niche and selecting a viable niche. Why the term viable is, say, my interest may be in chocolates, but if the chocolates doesn't have a market in the location where I reside, then what is the use of me doing that business? So, and then, for example, I want to offer uh, equipments, and if I'm residing in a location where there is no farmers, this is not going to bring me good business. So select a viable niche is very important. And how can we do that? See, first we have to identify your interest and passion. That is equally important. Interest and passion alone will not bring good business. We have to consider some other factors like what problems your business is going to solve. What is the solution that the business what you offer keep in front of your target audience? Is it going to help them save their time or improve their health, something like that? So it has to, your business idea has to solve a certain problem. still that it is not enough. You have to do a lot of research on your competition. Say, for example, like if you have a lot of competition in the niche which you have selected, then you need to find out like how you can make it different, how you can give a better service so that like you attract the audience towards your business. Then, like, you may have passion, your niche may be solving a certain problem, or the competition may be very less. But what if the profitability is very, very less, or there is no profitability at all? Will you be interested in doing the business? I mean, like, can you hold on to that for long term? So, and like finally, once you narrow down to a selection of categories based on all these, then you have to test your idea. You have to see whether is it still working? Is it workable? So basically, you have to find what you are good at and what you really like to do, and uh, what is the requirement for that. People, is there a demand for that? And once all these three factors coincide, that will be your perfect niche to select. Here it will be here, because even if it falls in any of these areas, one or the other factor will be missing. So it is important that you have to find a niche in this particular area where it's a perfect match between all these three. What you can offer, what you really like to do, and where there is a demand. If you have any questions, kindly post it in the comments box. If you like this video, kindly hit the likes and hearts. And yes, see, there are various aspects through which you can reach your niche. You can either concentrate on the area where you are planning to operate or sell. For example, local, national, or any specific country or any neighborhood. And depending on your audience or customers, you can select your niche. For example, a specific age group, toddlers or kids or teens or women, or any particular interest groups. For example, like people who like to watch movies, or people who like healthy food, or people who are crazy about improving, reducing their weight, and so on and so forth. Now, depending on the price point of your goods, you can find a niche. Say, for example, are you going to offer a budget friendly product, and a designer product, or a premium good, etc., etc. Now, there is a way you go about selling or offering your products. Say, for example, online or offline through a brick and mortar store, or subscription mode, membership option, etc., etc. So that is again another factor through which you can analyze on your niche. Then, apart from all these things, I'll give you a small tip here, a small exercise wherein you can find your niche. So that is like, I suggest you go to one site called ClickBank, and do a research on the, just give the keyword in the area in which you are doing business. Say, for example, baking. or script writing or online course, website design. So whatever the area in you are planning to start a business or you want to continue, you type that keyword in the ClickBank search. If you are getting, ClickBank is the largest marketplace of all the offers in the world. It's the mother of offers in the world. So you just go there, do the step, and if you are getting a lot of categories under that search, then that means that that particular uh, keyword which you had typed has got a lot of scope in the market. That will be a viable business for you. In case if the number of categories displayed after your search result is meager, then that means that that particular business is less viable or not viable at all. So depending on that, you can select what to do, because you get related areas. For example, I want to sell ebooks. If I go and do a search on ebooks, I may get uh, thousands and thousands of results. That means that ebook writing has got scope. But then, in which area? What topic? Ebook writing is a vast topic, right? So you have to go there and look under which particular subcategory there are more offers available. And depending on that, you can reach your niche. So that is one exercise which I want you all to go and do that. Do it and post your results in the comment box. That will help in finding your niche and starting your online business where we are progressing to. So that's all for now. That I hope like you benefit from that this particular session. Kindly give me more likes and hearts if you had gotten valid points from this and if you had benefited. If you have any personal doubts regarding niche, you can post it in the comments box. I'll come back and answer to that. So once again, wishing you all a happy Diwali. Bye bye.